Okay, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's noun on Monday. So law, the law, the rules we follow all the time. All the time, yes. The rules in a country, yes. So the regulations that govern how society, businesses and people work or behave, how they act, yeah, the rules. So there is a new law. Have you heard about this new law? Have you heard of this new law, this new rule? I found out about this law today. Today. Yeah. And these laws are difficult to understand. Difficult to understand. It's difficult. Complex. These laws are complex and not easy to follow. What am I doing? What's this? What does that mean? What does that mean? How does that happen? What's this all about? What? I don't understand it. So we have law, which is one, so singular, and laws, 2 plus plural. Here is a law. These are the new laws. There is a law against that. These new laws should help. There's a law against that, and these new laws should help. I learnt about those kind of laws at university. Those kinds of laws at university. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So these laws came into effect yesterday. Yes, they started. This is when the laws are meant to be followed. Now, well, that law has to be followed from this date. Let's say the 30th of August onwards, afterwards. Yeah, that's when the law comes into effect, when you have to follow it. And we are writing a new law. I'm writing the law. She is following the law. Yeah. They are learning about the laws. They are learning, happening now, learning about the laws. Yeah. There are different laws for each country. Makes sense. That country has different laws from this country, and those laws are different from here. Makes sense. Yeah. Oops. Very good. So the new law will make some changes to the education business. So they think this new law will change how business is done. Yeah, how business is done. We think it will have a negative impact on future business. We think it will have a negative impact on business in the future. It will not be good. Yeah, it won't be good. Yeah, definitely not. Very good. Yeah, it won't be good. It will not be good. It will not be good. It won't be good, yeah. Yeah, it will not. It can't be good. It shouldn't be good. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. So, law. How cool is that? Language explorers. The rules we follow all the time. Yeah. So, law. Now, can you write a sentence with law in it? Whoops. Yeah. Very good, yeah. And put it in the comments below. Comment your sentence below and subscribe to the channel. Yeah. More videos to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just search English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy as well. Yeah, by searching Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.